Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this 2018 Sportster Iron 1200. It is in the Billiard White. Really cool looking bike. They have done a stage 1 to it. Got the high flow intake, got the Vance & Hines short shots. Got some Roland Sands bars on here. I think they're 14 or 16 inches. Really good height, got a good feel to it. They did switch it to forward controls, get that kind of stretched out riding position. See, brand new tire on the front, got an LED headlight. See the bars, forward controls. That's the stock seat that came on it. Got a brand new tire on the rear as well. Only little thing I see in the paint is this little chip right here. Not sure how that got there, but everything else is perfect on this bike. Sounds really good, looks great. Yeah, 7,837 miles. Sounds like a sports. Alright. If you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website. Give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet,